Welcome to our new episode. I'm Dipen Bishwas, top-rated freelancer in Upworks. Profile backlinks, link building, and SEO experts. I will show you a project's organic results. This website is before the organic traffic was before the organic traffic and this date starting before. Okay, now copy the website URL and paste it here. I will check the SEMrush tools. Paste it here and search. Now the organic traffic 5.1k, like 5,100 organic traffic. Uh, Here is started. So this date. Okay. So if you want to interested to grow your organic traffic from your targeted locations, you can contact me Upwork or portfolio dipenbishwas.com. Contact me. These phone numbers, WhatsApp or anything. So thank you very much for the watching video.